Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter E, F, G, H. Let's trace and paint them together.
Falling down, London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Uppercase, E,
Sticks and stones, build it up with sticks and stones, my fair lady.
lowercase, e. Uppercase, F.
Sticks and stones will all fall down, all fall down, all fall down.
Lowercase, f.
All fall down, my fair lady. Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and
Uppercase, G.
fair lady.
Lowercase, g.
Wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady. Build
Uppercase, H.
iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with iron and steel, my fair lady.
Lowercase, h. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color.
Iron and steel will bend and bow, my fair lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge
Uppercase, E.
my fair lady.
Lowercase, e.
The itsy bitsy spider went up
Uppercase, F.
down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Lowercase, f.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and
Uppercase, G.
out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Lowercase, g.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
Uppercase, H.
The sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Lowercase, h. Uppercase, E. Lowercase, e. Uppercase, F. Lowercase, f. Uppercase, G. Lowercase, g. Uppercase, H. Lowercase, h. Please like and subscribe to my channel.